What is up, guys? Back with another video. I know, being more consistent. Anyways, today is gonna be something I've been on the fence about for a while. It's gonna be an install video. It's not gonna be a tutorial how to do it and all that, but it'll just be the process. So here's what I'm installing. Taillights. So these are the LCI taillights. I do have pre-LCI ons right now. I'm gonna let you see them. So obviously, you know, I've been on the fence about these for a long time. I always say, no, I'm not gonna do it. Pre-LCI ones are fine, but you know what? We already got them here. Let's try them. So I did watch a YouTube video, naturally, on how to take some of these clips off, especially the weather strips, because you have to take off a bunch of shit. Yeah. A little bit of a hard time. I know that there's more. Great. Okay, I found the clips. They're just in here. They're just really fucking ridiculous. I almost just broke them off. Oh my goodness. Whoops. Fucking broke my tips. No. Fucking bullshit. Okay, voila, there's this one. Not bad. Okay, so I finally was able to remove the other tail light. It was actually quite difficult. You can see I had to take a lot of this, the liner kind of out. Yeah, it was really difficult, but I ended up getting it out. There it is. Hopefully the install as well as putting the other side back together will be easier. Okay, I got the first one installed. It was a little difficult, but anyways, you can see I ran the wire down here. I'm gonna clean that up obviously, but yeah, that shit was not easy. I'm finishing up the wiring portion on the left side, and I did just decide to go masking tape just so I wouldn't scratch any of the paint on that pillar. I know it really doesn't matter, but I was like, masking tape, you know, won't rub as much as zip ties. Over here I didn't really care too much because I wrapped the zip ties around the wire, so that part didn't really care too much. Okay, so after hours of trying to do this simple job, I was successful. Let's see how they look. Okay. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the hazard so we can see the sequential feature. Sick. So as you can tell, you can see how it goes with like when you're, I don't know if you could tell, but you turn on your blinker, this one lights up at the same time this one does. So that's pretty sick. It took me a little bit, but honestly, the LCI tail lights don't look half bad on the purple. Alright, so that does it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed putting them on, which I didn't enjoy it. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait to start making content with them.